Okay, so looking at these 5 on slide 7, we start with 4 plus 3. We all know what 4 plus 3 is. It's okay that you're not, it's okay. We all know what 4 plus 3 is. We know it's 7, right? So let's prove it using our number line here. So we start at 4, and we're adding 3. So when you add 3, you go to the right, correct? So we start at 4, we go up. 1, 2, 3. Guess what? You're not lying. It's positive 7. So on your, I really do think I made a text box for these. Did I already make text box for these? Okay, good. I did something right. So you put your positive 7 there. Okay, that one should be easy, but also we had a positive and we added a positive. So keep that in mind because there's a pattern coming up, right? Now, the next one is we have 7 plus negative 3. Plus a negative means we're going which direction? Plus a negative. Do we go right or left? Left. So we're going to start at 7. And we're going to go left 3. 1, 2, 3. Where does that put me? At what?
4.
At positive 4. So, I just went down the number line 3 to end up at 4, okay? That does not mean you go all the way to negative 3, okay? I've had people try that today. Don't do that. This tells you what direction to go, and that tells you how many times to go in that direction, okay? All right, what about the third one? We start where? Start at negative 6. I'm adding a negative. Which way do you go? Left. You're adding a negative. So if you mess that one up, you'll fix it. So negative 6. Go left. 1, 2, 3. Where does that put you? At what kind of 9? Negative 9. So if you look, that put us at negative 9. Okay? I want you to notice something. Positive plus a positive ended up with a positive, right? A negative plus a negative, what did that end up with? Negative. Keep that in mind. Not always. We're gonna try this next one and see. Okay? Trying to make that line a little straighter. All right, number 4. We started at negative 10. Which way did you go?
Right.
Went to the right because it's just plus 2. There's no negative with it. So it's negative 10 plus 2 gets you to negative 8. Good. Okay, and the last one is negative 2. So we're going to start at negative 2 and end, we're going left 6, that plus negative. So we're starting at negative 2, go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where do you end at? Negative 8. And then, let's see, this one was also negative 8. So I want you to look at something. Yeah. So, Caitlin, you said, so if I add a positive and negative, does that mean it's always positive? Well, this answer was positive, but that one's adding a positive and negative, and that one's negative. So why do you think this answer is negative? I can see how you think that, but no, that's not it. So you see how I basically, when I did plus and negative, that's subtracting? Well, I could rewrite it and it would still be the same thing. Like I could do 2 plus negative 10 and it would still be negative 8. How many, do you have more positives or negatives here? More positives, and your answer was positive. Do you have more positives or negatives here? Negatives, and your answer is negative. Both of these are the same sign. going to be? The sign. If you add two negatives, we're going to get a negative. If I add two positives, I'm going to get a positive.